Hello together, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style, my cooking channel. So, today I bring you a smoothie. Very easy, super easy to make. L- Look, just two handfuls of spinach, some coconut raspel. I got also some coconut milk, not sugar, it's important. We got some pineapple and some mango. This time I got frozen mango, but I had not enough, so I got a bit of normal mango. So this is very easy. We're just gonna blend it all together. Yeah, we add everything and we're gonna just make it. This recipe is very easy to take to the work. It just can be as a breakfast. Yeah, and it's just very easy, very nice. Just keep it in the fridge and then just enjoy it. I will try this week to make some other ones. I got some recipes. We were doing a kind of diet with it, so I will try to make at least 5 or 6 of them in the next days. So, if you like it, remember to click the thumb up and subscribe to the channel for more interesting or cooking ideas. I wish you a nice journey together. And just like that, we got our tropical splash coconut pineapple mango smoothie. I hope you like it. Enjoy it.